So we're going to show you how to make a small activity, a vocabulary activity for students to learn words. Now this could be in languages, it could be in any subject really, where you have a word and you have a definition. So let's ask Chatgpt to write some words. So write 10 words at ESL entry 3. That's ESOL for speakers of other languages. And we'll say for vocabulary work, vocab work. So we could produce 10 words and make a specific topic, but we're going to ask GPT this time just to come up with 10 words. So let's ask it to do that, and it comes up with 10 words. Now, as you can see, it comes up with words with the definitions. Now, that's a little bit complicated because when we try to transfer that into wordwall, it won't work. So what we need to do is separate the words from the definition. So let's write another command. Write the above in a table. Be specific with your commands and then you get the desired result. So here we have our result, word and definition. Now let's pop over, so we've got the words and definitions. So there's a lot we could do just using an activity like this. But we're going to pop over to wordwall, and in wordwall we're going to sign in and then we're going to create activity. The activity I'm going to do is match up, which is drag and dropping each keyword next to its definition. You could use any game with any Chatgpt words that you come up with for that game. But we're going to do this one, match up. And as you can see, we're going to write the title. So we're going to put vocab print, entry 3. And here we're going to put the keywords, and here we're going to put the definitions, okay? So now instead of typing all that out, go back to Chatgpt, cut the words and the definitions, or copy them rather, and paste them into here. Now you put it in the top left-hand box, keyword, right-click, and paste them in. And there you've got your definitions for each word. Now, if you want a picture to go with that, I think we can just copy delicious, put a photo there, and you come up with delicious. You can just put a photo in there if you want a clue by means of using a picture. Well, I'm not going to write all the pictures in, but that's how you do it. If you're doing languages, you can use the voice. So you could have delicious, and you could have the language or male voice. If we generate delicious, that, it will say delicious. So every time we click that, it will say delicious. But if you're not doing a language work and you just want the words and the definitions, then that's fine. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now then is scroll down a little bit and click done. And here we have our words with the definitions. And if you want to put the pictures in, you can put the pictures in. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all these, but we'll put the match one or two words. Admire maybe in the words and then matching the definitions. And now at the end we want to submit our answers. Few right, most wrong, so we're going to look to correct these answers. So we show our answers and then we show the correct answers. Okay, so there you've got the correct answers. And you can not only do that as a match-up activity, you could change that to a find the match. You could change that to a crossword online or a quiz online. Just click the button and change it to a quiz. If you want to print these out, you can also do that. Match-up, quiz, crossword. But we've just seen how to transfer words from Chatgpt into wordwall to make a game and an activity quite quickly. Thank you for listening and watching this video.